Escape the chaos and stress with a Swedish massage. Are you tired of the constant chaos and stress weighing you down? It's time to discover a haven of tranquility and rejuvenation. Introducing the healing touch of a Swedish massage, brought to you by a retired African-American male nurse with skilled hands that have nurtured countless bodies, minds, and spirits. Let the worries of the world slip away as you step into a space designed to restore your well-being. I'm an expert therapist who understands the unique needs of each individual, tailoring the experience to ensure maximum relaxation. With gentle strokes and soothing techniques, tension and stress melt away, leaving you feeling renewed and invigorated. Picture yourself lying on a soft, comfortable massage table, surrounded by a serene ambience that calms your senses. My skilled hands will glide effortlessly across your body, the cares of the day vanish, replaced by a deep sense of tranquility. Your muscles, once tight and tense, now surrender to the therapeutic power of the Swedish massage. Whether you seek relief from physical discomfort, mental fatigue, or simply desire a moment of pure bliss, our Swedish massage is your ticket to escape the chaos and stress that often consume us. Let my expert touch of a retired African-American male nurse transport you to a place of serenity, where worries fade, and your well-being takes center stage. Don't let life's demands overwhelm you any longer. It's time to prioritize self-care and embrace the healing benefits of a Swedish massage. Book your session today and experience the transformation that awaits you. Escape the chaos, release the stress, and rediscover the joy of a rejuvenated body, mind, and spirit. So there you have it. Please like and subscribe. Click on the link around or below this video for more info. Thanks, and have a great day.